My wife and I have two hampers, and they both had some problems that I solved with 3D printing. So this hamper is pretty great. It's got this removable cloth thing. We never remove it, but what's not so great is that they're supposed to hang over the corners like this, and they never really want to stay on there. I think it's supposed to kind of hook on here, but there's nothing to really hook onto. So I designed this, which uses the same screw and goes on right here and provides a little bit of room for that to hook onto. And then there's this hamper. It's not really a problem, but it's kind of annoying. It's missing the caps for two of these. And the original caps look like this, kind of shiny black. I decided to make them a bit more rounded, and my original design was like this, but one of these snapped off, and it still works fine. But my updated design makes them more tapered and strong. I really could have just made it a cylinder. I was trying to go for something that maybe could squeeze in or something, but this works. It's rounded on top. I don't love the way you can see the 3D printed layers on top with this shape, but from a distance, I never even notice it. And it just makes it look a little bit nicer.